Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV. Guys, I don't only cook but also make juice, and so guys I'm gonna show you some juice, or you can make juice for your baby. Instead of going to the store to buy juice guys, you just buy the fruits and make the baby juice yourself, because at least you know your baby not getting processed stuff and they are getting 100% natural stuff guys. So guys, let we do this. So right here guys is some watermelon. So I cut up the watermelon guys, and I have a bullet. So I cut up the watermelon, I have a bullet, I cut up the watermelon and I puree it out. I completely blend it out guys. So look at that guys, and you get these bags that you can bag up your juice, bag up the baby juice, the juice for the baby. So these are medical bag guys. I don't know if you can get them on Amazon, but try and see if you can get them on Amazon, and you make your own baby juice. So this is the baby juice. I don't add any water to this. So the baby who is drinking this is 6 months old, and so we just blend out the watermelon and bag it up, and so there goes our baby juice. And how do we keep these juice guys? We put them in the freezer. There's another watermelon juice, and over here guys we have watermelon and mango. This is watermelon and mango, so I do the same thing. Clean, wash the mango, peel the mango, cut up the mango and put it in the bullet, puree it out and add a little bit of water to it so it could stretch a little bit. And then we add the watermelon juice to it. We had, that's it. So that's watermelon and mango juice. It's another watermelon guys, and here is the mango guys. So you buy the mango, as I said, you clean the mango, you wash the mango, you cut it up and you put it inside your bullet, you blend it out, you bag it up, and there you go guys, watermelon and mango juice by itself. And there you go guys, all the mango juice and the watermelon. Over here guys I have pear and apricot. So as I do the same thing. These are frozen guys, so I'm just showing you. So the same thing, you peel the fruits guys. Remember, you're giving this to babies, so don't give them the skin. So peel the fruits. You peel the fruits guys, peel the fruits and put them through your bullet, blend them out. You have to cut them off the seed because apricot come with seeds. So all these stuff that have seed, you just cut off the fruit part, put them in your bullet and blend them, bag them up and freeze them for your baby. Yes guys, so there you go. This is the apricot frozen. This is apricot again frozen. So that's one set of baby food juice right there guys. All that baby juice. This is ice on the counter guys. Hold on guys. And right here guys, this is pear, not as avocado pear, but the fruit that they call pear. So guys, this is the same thing. I don't use the skin because you're giving this to a 6-month-old baby. So I peel the fruits, I put it in my bullet, I blend it out, and you know, keep these in the freezer as well. So whenever time your baby need a juice, or every day, if you give the baby 1 time a day juice, you just take out one of these and you defrost it, let it melt out, and you pour it in your baby bottle, and that's it right there. Right here is grape juice guys. The grape, you know, you can't peel grapes, so you just have to wash this one good. So I wash it good, or you use the organic pear, the organic grape. So this one is not organic, but I washed it very well. And so guys, you see I freeze this, and this is enough juice for 1 serving, or you could break it down to 2. So this is the grapes guys, grape juice that you made at home. These are no processed food. This is not processed, 100% grape juice. All right guys, over here is bean soup. I remember I said the baby is 6 months old. So this is bean soup guys. This is chicken foot soup with bean in it. And so guys, I use chicken noodle to season and all those nice stuff that you use to season your soup. And so guys, that's the soup right there. What do I do with the soup? The same thing I do with everything else. You make the baby stuff from ahead of time. You keep them, you bag them up, and you put them in your freezer You could get these breast milk bag online. I think probably at Amazon. I'm not sure where my daughter get them, but she get them. So guys, this is a soup, bean soup. Whatever you want to make for your baby, guys, just make them. So, you know, right here, as I said, you know, see all of them stuff I make for the baby. So these juice, guys, it's enough juice to last the baby for a month. If the juice is in the freezer, it's okay. It won't spoil. Everything is in the freezer, it will not spoil. So you just make your juice, make your soup, make whatever you want for your baby yourself. Just take a couple of hours. It's just gonna take a couple of hours. Take a couple of hours, and I'm just cut up everything, cook everything, cool down. If you're making soup, just cool down the soup, and once it cool down, you put it in your bullet, you blend it out. You blend it out and you put it in your baby bottle. So all these stuff, guys, you know, you have to go punch a little bit a hole in the bottle, the nipple, to make it a little bit bigger, so all these stuff can go through the nipple. And so, guys, there you go. Just give you information on how to make your baby food. Make your baby juice. Make your baby soup. So, guys, just take some time, invest in the baby by giving them natural stuff that is not processed. Alright, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you learned something from it and that it will bless you. And, you know, just do what you can for your child by giving them healthy stuff. Make it yourself. At least at the end of the day, you know what your baby is getting. Okay, guys. So there you go, guys. Mango, watermelon, and all these goodies for baby. Alright, guys, take care of yourself. Until next time. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Alright.